this my house. We make
Guys,
it.
that is my house.
We make it. My brother and me. We make this house.
What do you say?
We tried hard.
What do you say?
Okay. I'm gonna buy. So if you're from Philippines, and then spell this. I forgot my money. So let's find my money. What about in that? Is my money here? Let's see. I will buy one. Buy one tip. 3 diamonds. Let's work. What? Just don't close. Come in. Do you have an apple? No. Do you have a golden apple?
Yeah.
Here, one. I'll buy one. Give me a golden apple. Where's my golden apple? Yeah, we have a golden apple, guys. We can eat this. So I'm in a cell. What's that? Did you hear that, guys? Right. Let me check. So I'm tired. Where is the boat? Let's go. Follow me. Where's the boat? So guys, we're going to the boat. Me and my brother are going to. Oh, did you see that, guys? Look. Carefully. Did you see that? Look that. You see that the boat? The boat. The boat. It got cracked. It cracked.
Oh, just.
Did it have some?
Look, I'm dying.
No, misunderstood. No, my heart. Oh my, wait, where's our house?
Look over there.
I think I have.
I'm in the house now.
I didn't get many. It's night, it's sleep. So you're watching part 3. Please don't skip it. I might go to sleep. Your brother, your name is glitching right now. Don't scare people like your Herobrine. You're really not Herobrine. You're just stop. Don't you dare do it again. Let's see about that. Stop! I said stop. Let's look. So I'm waiting my brother. Oh, here. Yes. this one. I think I'm not hungry at all. So suddenly, someone came here. I'm inviting my brother for my swimming pool because it's summer. Hey, brother, would you come to the summer? Would you come to the summer? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Guys, he really fall in the... Oh my god, this never mind, under people to join my summer. Because everyone help me. So what that? Why are you in my house? Why are you running in my house? Why are you in my house? You want to go to the summer? 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 You be, I mean. So guys, someone in the park to comment, not the bad kids, but I didn't mean to say that. So don't be mean, please. If you're watching this right now, the one who comment part 2, please don't be mean. It's an accident to say that. So let's hey brother, let's go to the boat again. Let's go to the boat again. Let's go to the boat again. Star, where are you? 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 How we make where's the boat right now? Where's the boat? Oh, here's the boat. Faster, we need to get it faster. Ouch. Faster, get out. Because I opened. Did you guys see the house? I see the house. Let's make a boat. Brother, let's make a boat. So we can swim at all, okay? Where are you heading? Get out of my house. Stop destroying my house. So guys, so speaking. Can I open your door? Yes, you can come in. You can come in, my lady. Why are you here? You want to visit me in my house? I said, why are you here? You want to eat with me? What do you want? I want to buy. I want to buy some more of your food. Please, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Ate, hindi ako nakaabatra.
Yeah. I may buy some your tindahan. I may buy some of your market. Why did you get my clothes in here? I'm angry at you. You are a crazy person. So guys, do you know the trend that... Wow, the keta is very cute. I like the keta. Do you like the keta? Please kill it. What? Here's your diamond. I want to buy. Do you have a cookie? Wow, the keta is very good. I said cookie. Wow, the keta is very cute. I like the keta. Do you like the keta? Please kill it. Bakit? Why do you do this? You are a crazy person. Because it will kill us. But it doesn't seem like a bad guy. Kuchi, Kuchi. Why are you here? Naman. Why are you here? What happened? What happened?
Bakit kumuha ka ng ano dahil sa ano ko?
I give it back to
Thank you,
you.
thank you.
Goodbye. Get out my house. Mama, sabi ka na nabibidyo ka na. So, house. Mama, you would like my house? Yay! You like my house?
Bye, kuya, dali.
Hindi.
Bye, kuya.
Ito yung bahay nga ini. No.
Sabi. Bye, kuya. Bakit ako makasap?
Wala akong kinuha. Balot ah.
Kapag may kulang dyan, ano?
It's nothing, right? It's none of the missing. There's no missing, right? There's no missing. Is it this the missing? I don't have. Don't you Kasi wala akong kinuha sa'yo. Punta ka dito sa bahay mo. Punta ka na doon sa bahay mo.
Bakit ka
Gamit ko
nananakit, ha?
yan.
Patingin nga sa chest mo.
Wala. Dami ko lang yan.
Bakit may cookies ay?
Yan yung ano, yan yung kinuha ko. Yung karate ba ko eh.
May pants!
Uy, damit ko yan! Damit ko yan! Yan yung nandun sa ano ko.
Goodbye.
No, wait. What? Don't wear your shirt. I will revenge you first. Hey, sit. Sleep, bro. Sleep. No. I will just come into your house.
Then come.
I see you in part 4. So I'm so sorry. It's so short. Bye.